वो लगी हाँ
And I never before chance to speak publicly in English. Pray for me that I speak right and my accent correspond to my word. Dear brothers, today I am going to shed some light on the concept and a dimension of morality in Islam. Morality means good manners, sound character and right behavior. Morality refers to a code of conduct that is defined by Allah Almighty. People are asked to follow the code as to tell a bird right from wrong. Dimension of
मजमा देख लो, लाखों का मजमा है ये है हमारे मेहमान खुसूसी साकिब साहब।
Man and other elements and the creatures of the universe. In his relationship with fellow men, the Muslim must show kindness to the king and concern for the neighbor, respect for the elderly and compassion for the young, truth and virtue his behavior, truth and virtue his goal, humbleness and simplicity his behavior, courtesy and compassion his second nature. Morality is one of the cornerstones of Islam. Morality makes a nation strong, just as impurity decays and declines. Good manners guarantee success, will bad manners lead to failure. So let's resolve today that we will to keep good manners, come what may, and do the well and outstanding example of morality.
जो बनाता हूँ